Good afternoon. Today we're going to use EON Illuminate to conduct the maintenance repair operation in 3 simple steps. Step 1, inspect and identify. Step 2, repair instructions. And step 3, perform the repair. In step 1, an inspect technician will identify and document the issues and the equipment in need for repair. In step 2, the service manager reviews the issues and remotely provides the correct repair instructions. And finally, in step 3, the repair technician performs the repairs following the knowledge portal and avatar-based step-by-step procedures. If needed, remote expert assistance can be provided. So, today we have a number of issues. There will be a leaking sink, there will be a stove that doesn't work, and finally a refrigerator that doesn't cool properly. Let's get started.
Yes, as you can see here, we have a leaking pipe that needs to be fixed.
A basin wrench that you can be causing a leak, which means that you're there, you might not be able to spot it.
So we have here a leak, as you can see, a sink leak that will occur if there's a loose connection or if it's clogged or if it's corroded. Okay, so simply hand tighten the loose connections like this one and this one. For clogs, place a bucket under, remove the P-trap. This is the P-trap right here. Shake out the clogs.
That you can't visually see, it's coming from the water supply sides, which are under pressure, right? Take the joints apart, you can add sealant to them or silicone lube, plumber's grease.
Gas oven igniter does not work properly.
One cooktop burner that's doing this instead of this, then hopefully this quick video is your fix.
Hello. So today we have an issue with the gas oven igniter. I understand that it's not working properly. Now, whether it's grease buildup or food crumbs, one of the most common causes for a gas burner that has trouble igniting is debris blocking gas flow to the igniter. The fix is easy. Begin by removing the grate covering the troubled burner. Next, move the burner cap. Soak the sealed burner base in vinegar or warm water.
A gas lighter is a device used to ignite a gas stove burner. It is used for gas stoves which do not have automatic ignition systems.
Alrighty folks, first you remove the caps and the bases, set them aside. Even with this sandpaper, same thing, just sand it.
Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today, how to easily defrost your freezer in your freezer compartment.
Hello. So today we have a problem here with the freezer. It doesn't cool as good as it should. So we need to use boiling water to speed up the defrosting process. You can place the boiling water in the fridge, and the steam given off will help melt the ice.
In refrigerators, defrosting, or thawing, is the removal of frost and ice.
How to easily defrost your freezer. Right, let's get cracking. Boiling point. And then what you do is you fill up one of the food trays with the hot water. Then get that first tray in at the bottom